Hi, this is Perry from Smith Private Limited, and I have one of my client Mars and Venus here in Richmond, and this is the website I have developed for them. And I'm going to do the online booking. And what I'm going to do is I just go in a menu, click on online booking, and when the page is loaded, I just want to see whether it's going to do the booking for me and how it's going to be look like on the client. And I'm going to ask the client as well whether they as a client me received something or not. I'm just saying select cut. I'm going for the man's haircut, say express haircut, and choose a staff. I will say Glista, and I say let's see the date or time. We'll say like 25th. Search for time availability, say like for example 10, and we go down locations, everything is there. I'm gonna put my name just for to the booking Perry, and last name is Gora, and I'm gonna put my email address, and sibit.com.au, and 0433801201 note, say and I book an appointment. Thanks you Perry, we have sent SMS to verify you. Yes, everything's gone here. I received the SMS. Booking Venus Hair Richmond, you must say yes to verify your number. If you receive this message accidentally, I say yes. And this is what I have done the booking at the moment. And what I'm going to do is after this I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. Thank you.